Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Stripe billing portal access for customer privacy. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Stripe billing portal access for customer privacy, begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Customers section on the left sidebar. Locate the customer whose billing portal access you wish to restore. Click on the customer's name to open their profile. In the customer profile, scroll down to the Subscriptions section. Identify the subscription associated with the billing portal access. Click on the subscription you want to modify. Look for the Update option and select it. In the Update menu, find the setting for enabling billing portal access. Toggle the setting to enable access to the billing portal. Confirm any changes to ensure they are applied. Next, inform the customer about their restored access to the billing portal. Provide them with instructions on how to access the portal. Encourage them to review their billing information for accuracy. Finally, ensure that customer privacy settings are compliant with your policies. Double-check everything is set correctly. Log out of the customer profile to secure your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.